Home from work. Everything is nice and clean. Ready to lie down and relax. Who's that? Oh, hello, Mr. Bird. That feels better. I'm just gonna sit and relax and have a good time and not do any. What was that? Did the birdie just say something? No, it couldn't have been. I'm just gonna sit here and relax like I was going to in the first place. I'm sure the birdie didn't say anything. What the? Did you say anything, Birdie? No. Yes, you did say something. What did you say? What did you say, Birdie? Nothing. Are you sure you didn't say anything? Yes. I'm sure. 'Cause I thought I heard you say something. Alright. I guess I believe you. So as I was saying, I got the TV I'm going to put on. I'm just going to relax. Enjoy myself. Maybe figure out what I'm going to wear tomorrow. Do some laundry. Just take it easy, you know what I mean? What? What was that? What did you just say, Birdie? Did you just say poop? No. I'm pretty sure you did just say poop. Are you sure that's not what you said? Alright, I guess I believe you. I hope you don't have to poop or anything. So anyways, as I was saying, I'm just gonna relax, maybe set my alarm clock, read my new book, Losing Touch by Christian Larson, eat some barley, you know, have a good time. What was that? Was that you? No. Okay, it was me. You got me. I have to poop. Well, don't poop here, Birdie. I mean, you're right over my bed. Why can't you fly over to the other side of the room or anything? Well, not really. You see, I have to poop so bad that I can't even move. What do you mean, Birdie? You're just sitting up there, hovering over my bed. You can't fly another inch? Oh no! What is it? Oh, I think it's coming out. No, Birdie, come on. Come on, Birdie. Come on, Birdie, don't poop now. Oh no! Oh, oh, oh. Oh, Birdie. Birdie, what did you just do? Ah! Ah!